Ni hao. I'm Renata Brum, the founder and CEO of Brum Immigration. Today, I'm going to tell you about Canada's immigration system and immigration programs especially for Hong Kong residents. But first, let me tell you about myself and my background. I'm the former Senior Citizenship Judge of Canada. For 11 years, I supervised dozens of citizenship judges across Canada, made decisions on citizenship cases, and swore in new citizens. I helped to reform laws, regulations, and policies, and I reported directly to 5 different ministers of citizenship and immigration. I know the system from the inside. After leaving government, I set up my immigration law firm, offering white glove services to a select number of clients. Now, let's talk about 2 special programs and processes for Hong Kong residents to come to Canada. First is a program for in-Canada graduates from colleges and universities. Until February 2023, the Minister of Citizenship and Immigration has in effect a new policy, granting eligible Hong Kong nationals who recently completed a post-secondary program in Canada to access an open work permit. Eligible applicants will receive a work permit that is valid for 3 years if they graduated no more than 5 years before applying for a work permit and if they hold an HKSAR or a passport from the UK to a British national overseas. In addition, the Minister has granted priority processing for Hong Kong residents who are coming to Canada. Under these facilitative measures, extended or immediate family members of Canadian citizens and permanent residents who hold the HKSAR or BNO passport qualify for expedited processing. These programs give eligible Hong Kong residents an edge over the millions of others who are applying to come to Canada right now. But what if these programs don't apply to you? Well, fortunately, Canada has over 100 immigration programs and 300 sub-programs for newcomers. The main immigration system in Canada is called Express Entry, and it's a point-based system that evaluates candidates for immigration based on their potential contribution to Canada. Each candidate is evaluated based on their age, language proficiency in English and French, foreign work experience, Canadian work experience, foreign education, and Canadian education. Some programs aren't based on points, but on a candidate's work experience in sectors that are in demand in Canada, such as computer programming and web design. There are also programs for entrepreneurs, such as the Startup Visa for investors. This program helps entrepreneurs who have an innovative idea to come to Canada. With a single letter of support from a business incubator, you can come to Canada as a startup business investor and get your permanent residence within 1 year. Now, I know these requirements sound complicated, and they are, but my unique experience with the Canadian immigration system will help you find a successful pathway to come to Canada. Contact me to get started. And look out for news from APPM. We will have an information session exclusively for APPM members very soon. I hope to see you there.